I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur with 8 streams of income, and one of those 8 streams of income is my balloon art business, A to Z Balloon Art. So here's a little insight into how long each setup takes. To answer your question, it honestly depends on what the setup is. I have some setups that take less than 5 minutes. For example, I did this setup for UNT grad and it took me around 3 minutes. I was in and out of the house easily in less than 5 minutes, and that's because I had everything ready and prepped. The only thing I had to do was place the backdrop where it needed to go and then put the balloons around it, and the balloons were already set up as well. I already had the hooks on the backdrop ready for the balloons, and all I had to do was wrap the rubber band around the balloon to secure it. One thing that I like to do to make sure that all of my setups are pretty time efficient is have everything prepped beforehand. I know most balloon artists do this a little differently, but I like to have almost everything ready and assembled when I arrive. Of course, if I see little touches or balloons that I need to add or move, I absolutely do that, but I like to have the base of everything ready to go. Now, even with being as fully prepared as I can be beforehand, there are some setups that take a bit longer. For example, this one setup I did this graduation season. It took me 2 hours to set up, and I had a helper with me. I was not expecting it to take that long, but thankfully we set everything up the day before, so the clients were all ready to go whenever it came time for the party. So on average, I would say a normal setup is around 20 minutes, but of course, if it's a bigger extravagant setup, then it might take longer. I hope that answers your question, and if you have any other questions, let me know.